Yes. Is it visible? Can you all see the screen? All of you all, can you all see the screen?
Sir.
Okay. First
Yes,
main,
sir.
second, first main, sixth question. What is the question given? First main, sixth. Exercise 18D.
So AB is equals to AD is equals to 5 centimeter.
Is equals to AD. Whatever you're constructing, you have to show it later.
Yes, sir.
Okay. AD is 5. What about BD?
So
7.
BD is equals to 7 centimeter.
C is equals to 5.5.
So can you
5.5.
tell which sums? I don't yet.
First main, sixth one. Ariana, first main, sixth question.
Okay.
Are all the students online? Mm, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what's the value of AB is equals to A? What do you mean by this? AB is equals to AD?
So both are 5 centimeters.
Both are 5 centimeters. BD is 7. What about this? The third one? BC is equals to DC.
So both
Both
are
are
Both
5.
are 5.5.
Yeah, which is greatest out of all these four?
BD.
Lengthwise?
So
BD.
BC is greater.
So take BD as base. Whichever is larger, take it as base. Draw 7 centimeters line. Is any angle given here? Do we have any angles?
No, sir.
No. So when angle is not given, just draw a line and make use of compass. So draw 7 centimeters line. This is BD. BD is 7 centimeters. Next, from B, what are the other values gets connected from B? BC, right?
See, sir.
Yeah, take BC. BC should be somewhere here, 5.5. From B, cut an arc, 5.5. Then after that, what's the next value? Start from D. BD is 5.5 centimeters. First, draw a rough diagram, students. Your rough diagram should be like this. Quadrilateral has 4 sides. This is a rough diagram. Okay. Yeah, look at the screen. This is a rough diagram. BD stopped. What am I supposed to write here? This corner, which
So
alphabet?
is
Is there any combination with A? A, B,
no sir, no sir.
Right, C, sir.
C, right? C is given. Then DC is, how come DC? What is the question? AB is equals to AD. Okay, let me draw this. BD. Then AB should be 5, 7. Just a minute, don't draw this.
Yes, sir.
BC is equals to DC 5.5. So,
Diagram is like that only sir, in the book also.
yeah, DC. This has even diagonal with it. So BC, DC, then we have AD5. AD is 5. You get a diagram like this.
Sir.
Let me explain. First, did you all draw BD 7 centimeters? Then, yeah, from B, which angle, which is given from B? BC is how much? How much, students? BC is
5 centimeters.
5.
5.5.
Yeah, now from B to C, draw 5.5, cut an arc 5.5, take 5.5 measure. Even BD is 7. Okay, BD is 7. Let me draw 7. Base, take it as 7. Okay, this is 7.0. Then from BD, keep it in B, cut an arc. I've taken 5.5, right? BC is 5.5. Okay, after that, next, which one should I draw? DC, right? Can you see DC given? DC 5.5.
Sir.
Then where should I place the protractor? Compass on D. Place the compass on D. From D, cut another arc 5.5 like this. Both the angles should intersect like this.
Done, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Say you took 3.5 or 2 centimeters, sir, for the arc?
Is there any angle given here?
No, sir.
Then why 2.53? What's the reason, Deshri? If
Nothing.
nothing is given, why should I take 2.5 and 3? No need, right? 5.5. Okay, from both the
Yes.
sides, draw 5.5. Okay, next. After that, which one should I draw? D is AB is given. AB and AD. From AD, how much should you draw? From AD,
5 centimeters.
5 centimeters. From AD 5 and AB 5. Take 5 centimeters. Yeah, do it along with me, students. Take 5 centimeters. Then cut from this position, from here.
Sir, how many centimeters did you take, sir?
No, cut this below. Look, my diagram is wrong. This, what you get is, look, from the beginning, I'll teach you all from the beginning. BD is 7 centimeters. And when you cut the arc, what did you get? Let me draw it little top. BD is 7. What about BC and DC 5.5? Where did you get 5.5? Did you get arc somewhere like this, 5.5? BC is equals to DC, 5.5.
Yes,
Did you
sir.
get arc top like this? Okay, now what is the next one left? AB and
AD.
AD, sir.
AD. What you do is from B, cut the arc down like this. You get A here. Take 5 centimeters and cut and join the 4 diagonals like this, 4 points like this. So this becomes C and this becomes A. This is the diagram you get. BD is equals to
So done.
7. Yes. And can you see only BD is single, right? Is there any other thing with it given? Like BD is equals to some other value?
No, sir.
BD is equals to AB, AD, something like this. Is any other value given?
No, sir.
Oh. So that's the single value given and it is 7 IS. So take that as base. You take it as base and remaining two diagrams cut top and down. You get a quadrilateral like this. For then let me take 5 centimeters. Okay, from B to C. From B to C it's just 5. You get like this, like this. And what about BC? How much is BC? Sorry, BA. How much is BA and AD?
So 5 centimeters.
5 centimeters. 5 or 5.5?
So 5 centimeters.
Okay, 5. Take 5 centimeters and draw another arc down. 2 arcs down. Another 2 arcs like this. This and like this. That's it. Now connect all 4 lines. Join all these 4 lines.
Like a diamond, sir.
Yes.
Like in a diamond shape.
Yeah, you get it like that. A diamond shape like this. This. And from here. And what is the angle? What is the vertex top? BA or BC?
So
BC.
BC and
BC. And write the measures, students. Write the measures. What are the values? BA is 5.5, right? 5.5 here, both the sides, and 5 centimeters here. This is a quadrilateral with 4 sides. And these arcs, you don't have to draw so big. Look here. This, I'll show a rough diagram. 5 centimeters, 7 centimeters. BD is 7, then BC is 5. Arc should be small like this. Okay, here it is 5, like this. Then join all 4 points from here, like this. Then yeah, this is the exact diagram. Okay, top we have C, the bottom A, right? 5.5 down, both the sides 5. This is a complete diagram, quadrilateral. So first main is done. So we move on to the second main. Second main, first question.
sir.
Shall I erase this? Did you all get?
Diagram.
This is the rough diagram, Mariana.
Sir,
First draw BD. Okay, first draw BD, then take BC and DC. This is the diagram we get. Look, in the question, look, this is the question given. We took BD as 5. Then Mariana, can you see here? AB and AD is given 5 centimeters. AB and AD. Yeah, this we have drawn it down. You can draw it down or top, students. Both are correct. What about this? If you draw this down, what about BC and DC? Where did we draw this? Top. We have cut top, right?
Yes, sir.
You can do it like this. If not, you can draw even AB and AD top. You can take it top and do it. You get the diagram like this. Okay, second main, first question. Copy the second main, first question. Second main first. AB is equals to 3.6. BC is equals to 4.5. And how many angle is given here? How many angles are given?
So one angle is given.
Only one angle is given. AB is 3.6, BC is 4.5, and angle ABC. So what should you take the base as? According to the angle, right? According to the angle. AB and BC, which one will you take the base as?
So
Which
BC,
is
sir.
BC, because yeah, BC is greater. Okay. How many sides are parallelogram has? How many sides? Four sides.
So four
And what did I
sides.
tell you, Chal? You'll remember parallelogram, properties of parallelogram. Opposite sides are
So equal.
equal.
So
So
equal
let
and
me
parallel.
take this. Look here. Let me take BC 4.5. Okay. Next, from B, which is getting connected? Which gets connected?
AB.
So
AB. Shall I write
AB.
AB here? AB is 3.6.
So yes, sir.
Okay. ABC is given. What is the vertex here? Which vertex is missing?
So D is so.
D is missing. I'll write D here. Okay. In parallelogram, according to the concept of parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Right? We studied this. I taught you opposite sides. If this is 3.6, what about opposite? 3.6.
3.6.
If
So
BC is 4.5, the opposite value AD is
4.5.
4.5. Did you understand the rough diagram?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes,
doubts in the rough diagram? Look, the main question is construct not quadrilateral, parallelogram. So you have to use parallelogram property. If AB is 3.6, what is the opposite length of AB? What's the opposite length?
That will also be 3.6 only.
DC. No, no. What is this? DC, right? Okay. Look here. Below AB, you can write DC is equals to 3.6. And what is the reason you'll write? Opposite side. Okay. If BC is 4.5, which is the other side, which is 4.5?
AD.
AD
AD,
is 4.
sir.
So you can just mention here. BC is given. You can mention AD is equals to 4.5. In bracket, you all can write opposite sides. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Okay. Now, one angle is given. Which is that angle? What's the
so
angle given?
on B. So
Yeah, where is that 120? Is it on B or C?
on B. So
On B. So here you'll have to draw 120 degrees. So what's the first step? Take BC as 4.5, draw a straight line of 4.5, then draw 120 degrees angle here, like this, 120. And what should be the length of this line? 3.6.
so
Let me draw it.
3.
Yes. 4.5, then you get 120 degrees. Okay, our rough diagram will be like this.
So we can take 2, sir.
Yeah, you can take two. Adya, you can take two for angle. A, B, C, and D. 120 is like this. You get 120 here. This should be 4.5. Opposite sides are 3.6. That's it. So whenever parallelogram is mentioned, use parallelogram properties. Opposite sides are equal. Did you understand the rough diagram and all the values which I have written here? DC, AD. Students, am I audible?
So
Yes.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Dhriti, are you doing it? Dhriti, Sholin, Mariam,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
construct this. So I have to take base as 4.5. Let me take 4.5. Last question. No, if not, we'll try another one. Base as 4.5.
So you're skipping this question, sir?
Yes, Mariana, will you ask anything?
So you're doing the next question, sir?
And next, I'll read the question. If it's easy, I'll give you all for homework. If it's tough, I'll do it. 4.5. Okay, BC has 4.5. Next, after BC, I'm supposed to draw 120 degrees, right? 120 degrees. Take 2 centimeters and draw 120 degrees on vertex B. Mute the call. Lemula and Dhriti, do you know how to draw 120 degrees, 60, 120?
So,
Yes.
Yeah. From this point, one strike is 60 degree. Okay, if you cut, then from 60 degree, you strike another arc, that becomes 120 degrees. Okay, now which lines should I draw from B? Which line gets connected from B? From B, which line do we get? Which line gets connected?
So from B to A.
A. And what is the length of AB?
3.6.
Yes. So take 3.6 and draw a straight line which has to pass 120 degrees.
So after that,
Just a minute. Okay, let me keep it like this.
sir,
Yes, Mariana.
sir, I have a doubt. Sir, they've
Yeah, what is your doubt?
told us to find angle ADC, no, sir.
Which one?
Second one, no, sir.
Which question is this? Second main first question, right? Now, what's your doubt, Mariana? I didn't get.
Sir, I thought you're doing the second one. I started doing the second one, sir.
This is second main first one. Okay, and second main second question is not there. Even for exam, you don't have that, right? Second main first question. Without doing first, how will I jump to second one? Okay, what's the length of AB, students? AB is 3.6. Did you draw 3.6?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, 3.6. After this, which angle? Which one should I construct? Can you see B, C and D? What's the value of C and D?
So 3.6.
3.6. Is any angle given? Is any angle given on C?
So no, sir.
No. So once after constructing, listen student, listen carefully. Once after constructing 120 like this, join 3.6, then take 3.6. Why did I take 3.6 here? It's not given, but why did I take?
Because it's opposite side.
Opposite sides are equal, correct. So use your protractor, compass, take 3.6, cut an arc like this. Then what's the other arc I have to cut? Which one? AD.
AD. I'm sorry.
AD is 4.5. So take 4.5, cut another arc. Join these 2 points like this. This completes the diagram. First go through this, then construct.
Sir, can you
After,
repeat?
Excuse me, sir.
yeah, look here, Mar. Yes, Charisha.
So till what time is it closed, sir?
Another 5 minutes, 5 or 10, 5 minutes.
Yes.
After this, I'll give a question for homework. Mariana, did you construct BC?
Yes, sir.
Did you get 120 like this? And did you take 3.6 and draw AB?
Sir, yes, sir. After that only.
How do you close the figure? How does the figure get completed? With the help of D, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How do you find D here? What's the length of C and D? 3.6.
3.6.
So take 3.6. Don't use scale. Use compass. Cut 3.6 arc like this. And from A, what's the length you have to take? 4.5. From A, take 4.5, cut, keep your compass here where A is given, A is written. From there, cut another arc like this. Join these 2 points. Look, students, in construction, only for the base angle you have to use ruler. For the base length, any other length you have to use protractor. You shouldn't use compass, not protractor, compass.
Sir, for the arc, we have to cut from the 120 degree one and the C point, no, sir?
Yeah, 120 degree. Not 120 degree, Adya. From A, did you draw 3.6 length? Did you draw 3.6 centimeters?
Sir, just a minute.
Look here, then keep the compass. What's the length? C and D. What's the length of C and D? Adya, unmute the call and answer, Adya. What's the length
Sir,
of C and D?
so C and D is also 3.6, sir.
3.6. So take 3.6 like this. Open 3.6. Keep it on C. Keep it on C and cut an arc like this. Straight. Like this.
Sir, yes, sir, I did that, sir. After that, I didn't get, sir.
After that, from A to D, look here. After constructing that, from here you drew it. Then what is the other line which is pending here? Which line is left?
A to D, sir, which is 4.5.
4.5. So take 4.5. Look here. I'll take 4.5. And look where I place it, students. Look at the protractor where I place. Look carefully. This point, where is A? Here, right? Can you see where I placed it? Look properly. I placed it here. Then from there, construct like this. Have you all seen this? Place it on A. That's it. Diagram is done. Now join all 4 lines. And you should draw straight lines, not dotted lines. Yes, like this. You'll get a proper parallelogram. Then write all the values.
Sir, I'm getting a slanting diagram.
Sir, even I got it.
Yeah, you'll get slanting because parallelogram is slanting, right? A, B, C, D. Yeah, 4.5 and this side 3.6. Here we made use of one property, that is opposite sides are equal. This is complete parallelogram. Parallelogram will always be slanting, either towards left or right. Parallelogram will always be slanting like this. Either like this or like this. What's the reason? Why is it slanting?
So
Because the angle here is not straight. It's not 90 degrees.
90 degree, yes, sir.
Yeah. But in rectangle and square, the angles will always be straight. The diagram will always be straight for rectangle and square. This is rectangle. What's the reason? Why is it always straight for rectangle? Because each corner angle is equals to 90 degrees. So for rectangle and square, the diagram is always straight. For parallelogram and rhombus, it is always slanting. And this is the diagram. And next to the main diagram, here on the right hand side, you have to draw a rough diagram like this. Just draw a rough diagram. That's it. Did you all get this complete parallelogram? A, B, C, D? 4.5, 3.6. And this question is given, it's there for project and for your main exam. I mean, midterm exam. Okay, second main, third question, we'll do it tomorrow. Fine. Second main, third, we'll do it tomorrow. We have done 2 questions. And tomorrow the class is from 12 to 1. 12 to 1 or 1:30 students. I might extend because I have to complete construction. So 12 to 1:30.